Hi, my name is Captain Nemesis Prime Bird, and today I'm going to make fun of Thomas the tank engine because Britt Allcroft passed away this morning. Oh, here he comes now. Ha 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 ha. Thomas, even though Britt Allcroft passed away, you are still a silly tank engine. Beat it. Ha 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 ha.
Oh, my God. Captain Nemesis Prime Bird? I can't believe you made fun of me, just because Britt Allcroft passed away this morning. That's it. I'm calling your nice clone. Go home right now.
Oh my God. Captain Nemesis Prime Bird. I cannot believe you made fun of Thomas the Tank Engine just because Britt Allcroft passed away this morning. That is rude of you to say that to Thomas. That's it. You're grounded for 17 days. Go to your room right now, you stupid fake clone of mine.